Hi everyone and welcome. So the first restaurant we visited this year in Corralejo is Tasca. Tasca is on the main street that takes you down towards Music Square. So I'll show you where it is on the map. It's not too far from the Asia Garden. Frontier Park Apartments is around the corner. And the Rock Cafe is pretty much next door. It's an actual really beautiful restaurant inside. So just screenshot it there so you can see what it looks like. So yeah, inside, quite like the theming. They call it a traditional Spanish style restaurant. There's a real mixture of nationalities that eat here, and you can see the cooks cooking there in the background, which is always great to see. Now there is a massive mix of different foods here, so I'll quickly show you the menu. You've got lots of salad choices, soups, lots of cold starters, lots of barbecued meats, show you the back page. So you can have a pizza here, and there is lots of choice of pizzas. We thought the prices here were quite reasonable. There's something for everyone in this restaurant. So to start off, we had some prosciutto. That was a free snack that was given to us before the meal, which we very much appreciated, and was actually quite tasty as well. Okay, so the main meals come out, and our son has got a pizza. I think that was some kind of meaty pizza. It had some kind of meat on the top, like mince meat on the top of it. The daughter had a ham and cheese pizza, which was also pretty good, I've got to admit. Pretty nice and tasty. So they went safe option. Obviously you can see the pizzas are huge. And me and the wife had a mixed grill platter to share. This mixed grill was actually very, very tasty. And there was lots of flavour in this mixed grill. Really enjoyed it. Enjoyed it more than I thought I would, to be honest. So there's a picture of my daughter eating pizza, and at the end we were given some limoncello. So yeah, we're very happy with that indeed. Service was brilliant. The food was great, and would we book again? Yes, we would. So thank you to the gold members of the channel. Really appreciate the support, guys. And please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and check out the playlist of the other places we've ate at while in Corralejo. Thank you very much, and goodbye.